At Lake Hamilton, keeping our students safe on and off the bus is one of our top priorities. And now, staying informed about your child's bus is easier than ever with bus alerts through ParentSquare. Here's how simple it is for you to stay connected. To sign up for bus alerts, start by visiting the Lake Hamilton website at lhwolves.net. From the home page, click on Parents and Students, and then select Transportation Alerts. This page is your hub for all ParentSquare bus groups. Once you're on the Transportation Alerts page, you'll see the list of bus numbers. Click the bus your child rides, and it will take you directly to the ParentSquare group for that bus. When the group opens, simply tap Join Group. You'll then receive notifications for delays, changes, or other important updates for that bus. If your child rides more than one bus during the week, you can join multiple groups the exact same way. Just click each bus number and join. Please note, these bus groups are one-way communication from the Transportation Department. They aren't monitored for parent replies. If you ever have questions or concerns about your child's bus ride, please reach out to our Director of Transportation or call our Transportation Office. Our transportation team works hard every single day to make sure each child gets to and from school safely, securely, and efficiently. Signing up for our transportation alerts through ParentSquare only takes a few seconds, but will keep you connected with our transportation department all year long.